Welcome back to the Art of Finesse channel. Today it's special. I have a Seiko SARB033 unboxing and review. I was really excited to get this watch. I heard a lot of good things. It's a JDM watch. That means normally it's not available to the US market or North American. So I had to order it directly from Japan. And the kicker, it's a discontinued watch. So this watch is just going to increase in value going forward in time. It's going to be an addition to my collection, and I'm planning to keep it for a very long time. It took about a week to get here in Canada, and I was really excited when I got it. You get the basic Seiko manual with warranty card, which is only valid in Japan. But the watch is amazing, guys. At first impression, I was kind of worried because it looks like it got banged around inside the packaging. The packaging was a little bit sloppy in my opinion, but luckily the watch well packed. There was plastic everywhere, so it came in mint condition. And you can see here it's a 6R15D movement, which is the latest revision at this time. And the thing I love about this watch is it reminds me of my old Rolex watch, and it has the same style. It's a 38mm case. Just a beautiful watch, extremely beautiful. Now let's go and take a quicker look after a couple of weeks of wearing it. Now here, this is after a few weeks of wearing it, and I'm in love with this watch, guys. It's an unbelievable watch. The build quality of it is amazing. It keeps very good time. There's nothing really bad to say about this watch. The bracelet, I know again people complain about Seiko bracelets, but it keeps it on my wrist. That's all it needs to do. It's still a better build quality than the cocktail time watch that I had, which I'll get in a minute. But you can just see how beautiful this watch is. Very solidly built. It's almost like a Grand Seiko. You can see the brushed metal with the polished step there. 20mm bracelet lugs. Again, very quality built. There's the movement, the 6R15D movement. I can't say anything bad about this watch, especially that it's discontinued. I'm going to compare it as usual to the Vincero Chronos S, and then you can see the size difference. The Chronos is a 41, this is a 38, but from far you won't notice a difference. And you can just see, this Vincero cost 200, this has costed me 300. Definitely the Seiko is a better investment in my opinion, especially that they're going, they're discontinued. Now, I had a lot of people asking me what's that black watch I wear. The black watch I wear is an Emporio Armani watch, which I had for 15 years. Unfortunately, it's falling apart. You can see the Emporio Armani logo got unglued. The strap had to change. This is not the original strap. It's a rubber strap. Very comfortable, however. This watch, I use it as a beater. I work in a manufacturing environment, so you can see it gets banged up, scratched. But this is like my beater watch, but very solid. It's still like a $400 or $500 watch. But again, comparing it to the Seiko here, the SARB033, you can't go wrong. I mean, this is an automatic, very, the quality of it is amazing, and it's gonna be a watch that I'm gonna keep forever. I think it's just gonna stay in my collection. You can add a NATO strap, and it's gonna be very versatile. I'm trying to get a loom shot, but I'm gonna take a better shot in a minute. but you can see it on my wrist here, how it fits. The bracelet fit perfectly. I just removed one link and it's like it was made for my wrist. Now here you can see how well the lume is. You know, just walking around, and as soon as you get into a dark area, it's instant, and it's very subtle, but it's there. And it's a great addition because it's not impeding on the style of the watch. It's very, very subtle, and you can hardly see it when it's light, but when you go in the dark, just like these little dots and the double dot at 12 o'clock, it's an amazing feature to have. Now let's compare it to the golden Cadillac. Now the golden Cadillac, I sold it, okay? I sold it because I got the SARB033. I ordered also the SARB065, which is also a discontinued Seiko watch. And I also ordered the SRPB41, which is the cocktail time in blue. So just here a quick comparison. You can see that the 40 and the 38, there's not much difference, however you can tell, but I'd rather keep the SARB. That's it for the video. Let me know if you have any comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.